Hello, friends and professionals. Let's welcome back another important interview question. This is for most of the times they will ask someone trying to show more confidence. I'm a real time consultant. That's fine. We're good to go. At the end of the day, knowledge is knowledge. That's what I'm saying. How do you minimize and productive with internal and external customer communication in SAP SD, or you take irrespective of any module? Okay, for that matters, this is the question for all SAP modules, whoever trying to work with the external customers. Okay, let's try to understand this, how exactly and where exactly minimize the effort. You know that, right? EDI. Okay, electronic data interface. That means when any SAP system is communicating, assume that this is SAP system, this is non-SAP system. Don't say that these are my hands. I'm just telling an example. When SAP system and non-SAP system both are communicating, okay, such a case there should be some middleware that we'll call it as EDA, electronic data interchange. Okay, you can call interchange or interface, it doesn't matter. It is a interchange. Actually, this is the communicator. For example, two people are communicating. One is from Japan and another is from India. In the middle, some other person should be required to know both the languages. It will be like a translator. Okay, so that's where communication is the key. At the same time, it is applicable each and every industry. Similarly, for SAP system, when it is trying to communicate in ANSI language or XI, whatever you call, so in between two systems. Okay, such a case. So like, you can able to customize it if the data is moving. When I'm trying to create a sales order with the help of external customers, it is communicating and I'm just trying to create my system here. Or else you're trying to move the delivery notification, or else what I would say, your billing information uniquely. I'm talking about, try to understand this word. So why I need this one? How do I control this one? How do I minimize the effort instead of writing many function modules in the interface programming to get communicated? The answer is here. So how do you minimize the productive with the internal and external customer communication? It is very, very important. And at the same time, it is not important for being a functional consultant. After having certain experience, you should know all these things. Okay. So let it be. This is restricted for interview question. Probably like in future, I will try to do some more understanding to know about this one. But let's try to understand this one. Okay. Before getting into that, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Look at this, currently 1000. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe here. 400 plus videos, a lot of effort I'm putting in to give some information to the SAP society, either India or outside India. So let's come back here. This is my Udemy courses. If you'd like to learn, I just explained field by field. One review away, it's almost 400 reviews. If you look at here, SAP SD sales and distribution in plain English detail, 86 hours. Okay, if you'd like to do S4 HANA basics, better get into this place with 3 scenarios explained in my project scenario. Also, you have with external number with same number range. Let's get into the topic. If you'd like to get into the master of uh, pricing concept, this is one of my top rated course, high rated course, 4.7. If you want to get into this is at advanced level, slowly picking in. This is new course. And if you look at here, this is for rebates, and this is for if you'd like to learn about credit management basics for SD consultant. The settings move to FSCM. No worry, for FSCM it is giving a little flavor but not depth. But SD consultant, no doubt, if you're in project with this basics, you can open up your confidence to work with financial consultants. Okay. SAP S4 HANA intercompany sales and a few other courses, stock transfers. If you are not at touch with the industry, I'm telling you, my friend, So you better get into this course, getting master to write functional specification. This is very, very important. You will get that depth. I explained each and every section. No doubt, if you are, this is, I have taken the 3 SD examples and simple thing. And after that, I have given a template. You can fill it. This is especially useful for support, enhancement and implementation project. No doubt it will clearly give effort to work in real time. You better get into this course and you will not be disappointed. Definitely you will come to know, compared with outside institution, your knowledge will be far better than if you try my courses. I explain standard also in better way, field by field. If you want, you can check my reviews. Some idiots will be there, I don't care. Okay, so if you have ego for learning, you never grow. I'm telling you, if you have ego, you never grow. Have an ego to learn actually. Okay, if you don't, if you have ego to blame others, you will not grow in life. That's what the lesson. Okay, no problem. I'm just providing these links below of the video. If you like this video, you can subscribe. If you like to enhance your knowledge, you can try something else. You can see this. The answer is Vivo E4 or ED part table, most famous transaction in real time for external systems. Okay, so certain a time you will get support tickets to maintain this table also. Don't think that this is just practice system I'm showing you now. Here combinations might differs. This is a standard table. So when they would like to see, this is our customer, this is our internal customer. If you look at here in this example, someone maintained, so it is not exactly the same external customer is this one. Okay, smart mart, someone explained, Walmart. Okay, if you take any outside of the customer, okay, if you'd like to get communicate for your information, either order acknowledgement or delivery notification or else billing information uniquely, when I assign this particular partner, if you'd like to get received, this table maintenance is so important. It will try to minimize a lot of efforts from ABAP side. I'm in full swing today. That's why I'm explaining like this. Don't think last few days I was a bit dull actually, because some work is not happening at my end. I was in full tense. When transport is not moved, full tense. Three charms I have created. Still I am fighting. That spirit should be required. If you are at practice, if you are not doing, then how will you come back in your life? Don't be like thief. Okay, I'm not telling about everyone, I'm telling about some guys who's doing bad activities coming to industry. Why I'm doing this, I'm fired up myself. I want good people should be in our industry. Okay, how you come, certification or experience, it doesn't matter. You should come with good knowledge. Okay, okay, this is the table where you can able to maintain it. You can see this customer, this is the partner function, this is the description, automatically it will come. Most of the times you will have sold to, ship to, bill to, pair. Most of the times it will be maintained for pairs. I have seen my project and ship to, so fully maintained with external customers. Okay, and again as that internal customer, this is the table. Let me show you in SC16M. After a long time, I'm trying to remember this table in my project. I have seen this same project in my previous, um, you know, 2 projects ago where I worked actually. So this is the table actually. Okay. So if someone asks, you can answer with that brave. Thank you so much for joining the session. If you're not at subscribed, please subscribe all my courses so that you can flourish your knowledge in next level. If you have that into, you can try this and I will give you the support. If you have doubts, just comment on YouTube forum or Udemy forum or else write an email. Okay, thank you. I wish you all the best. More importantly, I love my country. Jai Hind. Take care, folks. All the best. All the best.